guys, this is Wetland technology, and I'm doing experiments on horizontal subsurface flow constructed wetland. So how it works, we put the sample, the industrial wastewater sample, here in the first strip, and this strip have gravels. We filled this strip with gravels, and then the large particulates, they are trapped down in the gravels, and it's a physical removal mechanism. In the second strip, here are plants, latifolia plants. So in English we called it cattail. These are latifolia plants, and they are doing phytoremediation. They are taking the organic contaminants from the water, and the bacteria with the roots of these plants, they are actually degrading the organic contaminants as well. So here are phytoremediation taking place, and as well as bioremediation, which involves bacteria, and these are resistant bacteria already present in the sample. They are forming biofilms here and symbiotic association, and then we are exploiting their property of degrading the organic contaminants. Then from this step, this step also contains gravels, soil, and some sand, and then the water comes to this step, the third step. It also contains some plants. This is the reed plant, and these are the latifolia plants, and it contains also soil, gravels, and sand. The same mechanism here is to augment the bioremediation capacity of this wetland. And then in the fourth step, we fill this part with the sand and gravels, and it's actually the water from these three steps, they coming down to the fourth step, and here it percolates through the sand to further clean it, to further treat these water. And then we are collecting water here. This is the collecting tank. And 4 cycle we are repeating in a week, and then after week we are testing, we are monitoring the sulfates, nitrates, and COD, chemical oxygen demand, BOD, and physical TDS, electrical conductivity, and pH.